Gold looks simple and pure, but before it reaches this form, it goes through a long and carefully controlled industrial process. In this video, we'll follow gold from raw ore to refined metal and see how factories separate it from rock, clean it, and shape it into the gold we recognize. The refining process begins with gold ore, which is mined from the earth using large excavation equipment. The ore is transported to a processing plant where it is crushed into smaller pieces. This crushing increases the surface area of the rock, making it easier to separate the gold from other materials. After crushing, the ore is ground into a fine powder using rotating mills filled with steel balls. Water is added to create a slurry. At this stage, gravity separation or flotation methods are used to concentrate the gold-bearing material and remove lighter waste rock. The concentrated slurry is transferred to leaching tanks, where a cyanide solution is added. Gold dissolves in this solution, separating it from the remaining solids. The gold-rich liquid is then filtered and passed through activated carbon, which captures the dissolved gold particles. Once the carbon is saturated with gold, it is heated to release the metal. The recovered gold is melted in high-temperature furnaces, where impurities rise to the surface and are removed. This process produces gold with a purity of around 90%. To achieve higher purity, the gold undergoes further refining using electrolysis or chemical treatment. These methods remove remaining impurities and produce gold that is over 99% pure. The refined gold is then cast into bars, coins, or other forms. Through crushing, chemical separation, and precise refining, raw rock is transformed into pure gold. Each step is carefully controlled to ensure quality, efficiency, and safety, turning one of nature's rare metals into a usable industrial and financial material.